That's awesome.
You're up, Nina.
Come on, Nina. Come on and retreat.
There you go, Nina. Spread your feet out. Ooh, come on, Nina.
Come on, Nina. You got it, baby.
Ooh. Come on, Nina.
Look at the ball, Nina. Watch it fall to your mat, right?
Loa, get ready to run.
Oh, that was great. That was really good.
She was good.
Alan, move her back. There you go.
Come on, Nina.
Run,
Run, Nina, run.
Nice play, nice hit.
Hey! He's down there following some other kids. Hey, Taylor made the first run in. She was the first at bat. She's in. Yep.
Come on, Megan.
Nice try, nice try.
Nice try, Megan.
Get ready to run, girls!
I thought you were being a gentleman.
Oh. Must be hard to see me now. Now I got smaller, right?
Nice
Come
job.
on, Katrina!
1 hour, 20 minutes is what I told my...
Nice! Run, run, run! Touch back, Nina!
Nina, hustle!
That's how smart she was today.
Good job, Ladybug!
You get to go out there now. You're first on the next inning, okay?
Grand slam. I know. I think she's four.
Up is going to be the next one. Yeah. Score!
They have a 4-year-old on
The 4 runs.
Don't recall what it is. I don't recall. I haven't
Well, it could be 4, 5, 6.
refreshed my memory since last year. I had it all, and I knew it, but I saw them and I said, I don't think another
Get them on the
Hey, you wore a great color shirt.
I know.
Yeah, good job. So, So I recorded Taylor hitting and everything, but then I never recorded her passing home plate. I'm gonna be in big trouble.
Supposed to, and the game's money all gone. Hey, call me when you're done signing up.
She wanted to play this position too. Okay, hey, you're here. This is your job now. What?
Good eyes, Taylor. Good eyes. Hey, Taylor. Look at the ball. You want to look at the picture, right? Good ball. Go! Run!
Run, Taylor, run! Run home, run home! Run home, Taylor! Nice! Nice! You weren't filming.
Delaney, pay attention. Pay attention. Nice hit, Taylor. Do it again, okay? Just like that.
Keep your eye on the ball, Taylor. Run! Run! Run, baby!
Grab the pitcher, hurry! Emma, grab it, Emma! Grab the ball next time, Emma. Emma.
Yay!
Good throw, Carolyn. Good throw. Good job.
All right, game 2 on the Ladybug series. Playing field 6 today against team 1, which I think is Young's team. Last game, it was 15-15, the end of the game. Here's our proud mascot. And that's all the embarrassing things I'm going to show right now.
That's him. I can't tell.
Come on, ladybugs. The Good job. Over here.
Down and ready, Carol!
Because she is playing catcher position.
Ginger.
Why did they say that?
They're cheering.
Come on, ladybugs!
She advanced. girl gets the ball, then she can get it. She's ready to throw it in.
Natalie, people are trying to
That's potato.
Oh, love, okay. She's so excited about it.
Oh, white.
Hey, what do you think about your session? Tell me, look at it. Okay, look a little.
Looks like it's fat. It's gonna be there forever. No, it's okay.
It's hard to keep her
I did the
mellow.
exact same thing when I was
Oh my God.
Taylor, get ready!
I thought she was getting a hernia. There's Cole. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Get it, Nina!
Throw the rock straight!
Get it low,
Stop it. Sit down. Sit.
Way to go, Taylor! Woo!
Do you want me to call? Do you see Cole right there?
Whoa, look at
He's
that.
riding a skateboard with a black hat on.
Look at the helmet.
See Cole right there? Tell George to go get him.
Okay, come here!
Nina, Nina, Nina!
Okay, pitcher, 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 pitcher! All right! Smaller than the one that coming out somewhat reluctantly.
Why are they not doing ladybugs?
We'll cheer for Ladybugs when they're at bat.
Why does she don't have a hat? That's cool. Yeah.
She has a blue and black hat.
Come on, ladybugs.
They all have different hats. Whatever their mom bought for them.
He's trying to get closer to you. Are you having some food?
Babe, I brought you some sunflower seeds.
All right.
Cole!
So you can't put them on the floor though, okay? Here's the bag too.
Nina, get ready!
You can stay to move her over a little bit.
Okay, Marsh, Taylor, be ready.
They should, the outfield needs to move
Taylor, be ready.
into position.
Get it, Taylor! Throw it to first, man! Throw it to first! All right! Woo! Way to go!
He gets fired.
Taylor got two.
Mila, your water fed.
Way to go, Taylor!
No. Yeah, I'm gonna try. Yeah, she's out there. The girls are throwing it too low and
All right, softball ready, girls. Softball ready.
loose.
Get ready, Nina!
I need to show her.
They're right there. Girls, put your third track. Oh, this is awkward. No, you put your food here. Here. Come back here. Tammy, you want some?
Who gets to be
You
there?
want to hold your jacket? Just say no thank you or
Asked
yes,
to be
please.
there.
Yes, please.
Okay, now the girls can head
I
off
know, I
the
did the same thing. When I was up there, I was going, oh no. I need to back her up.
tee.
Get ready, girls!
All right, Taylor, it's coming to you, baby. All right.
Gina, have you tried these?
The other day I did.
No,
I
they
love
put
them.
it out
You want
one
one?
time.
Yeah.
But have you ever had these? Oh wait, that's one's closed.
I know, that's what I told her.
They're really good. They're peas. Try one.
They're really good.
green
Yeah,
beans.
they're really good. Where do you get them?
Green peas. At Marikai. My friend buys them when she goes.
I like them a lot. They're yummy. Nice little
But it's nice because they're in little packets.
Because she got there before the ball got out.
So good.
That was cool.
They're peas, but they taste yummy.
Come on, ladybugs.
They practice hitting.
Hey, that's kind of like I do. Yeah, when she misses that guy gives it, throws it.
Whoa, whoa, where's she going?
Go back. Gotta go back. No, she's gotta go back. You went in the circle already. Oh, she's still going. She has to go back to first. Ball was in the circle.
Now, fourth.
We're gonna have to get her some knee pads or something.
Why?
Because she hit her knee already. Oh, you want to step back?
She hit it.
Get ready, ladybugs.
Why?
Aspen chocolate light, so I'll get it.
Really?
Cookies, right?
What is up with you, Brad? She's trying to cuddle against you. But I don't know if you're trying to get food or what.
Okay, get ready!
Okay, get ready, Taylor.
You alright, buddy? Want some water?
Ready, Cam.
That burrito.
Okay, and rush up on it. Don't let it pass you.
She hit the T in the outfit.
Okay, Taylor, if it does that, you run up and get it, babe. Get ready, babe. You have to be in the middle of the party.
Stay there. Want to sit? I brought her earlier to take her for a walk while my son was taking pictures, and she refused to walk. She laid on her
Get all
tummy.
the energy out.
And now she won't.
We got 4 runs already.
Yep.
Good job, girls.
All right, way to go, girls.
I've never seen it. I've seen it on videos.
You know,
Kalani.
who did I go with? Lucy, what we went to do when we saw at the parade, the dog was going.
Go, Nina!
Come on, Nina!
Go, Nina, Joe! Put your leg down a little bit, Nina. Get a good stance. Go, Nina, Joe!
Loosen up a little bit out there. Come on.
Come on, Nina!
Now they're chinning the ladybug.
Come on, ladybug!
Lila, do you have any hand sanitizer?
Yeah. You're my first on the side.
Oh, I'm sorry.
All right.
You can do it, Nina!
Is he here yet, Lila? Did he say he's on his way here? Or what did he say? He's on his way here. Off the two.
Nice try, Nina!
Go, Nina, hit it out there.
Run, girl, first base. She's not on first yet. Barely. Oh my gosh. She was taking her time getting there.
That was a close one.
Wow, wow, she was running in slow motion. Going to the dugout.
What'd she do? Do you girls play any sports?
Gymnastics, and she used to do tennis, but the guy quit, so now I'm probably going to do piano, clubhouse. So we're going to try piano together.
Gymnastics is sport. That's
What?
good.
Oh,
Go, go! No, she's running. She's a good runner. Look at her go. That's a good run.
Touch the base!
We're going to let her do it. Everybody back.
Because it was a foul.
we have too many people here. They don't know.
Cameron, did you ask us to bring you a jacket?
Get the ball, Kate! Try on the ball!
She did better that time. Come on, Lola!
Come on, Lola Nakashima!
What?
Go, knock, keep up.
Yo! That's a good hit. That's a home run.
that was good.
We should really take that back to where Lois.
Loa!
Good job, Loa!
Get your hands out of your pocket, Loa!
That's what the pros do. They put their hands in their pocket.
It's not pro.
Yeah, we need a triple.
Oh, nice
We need
try,
triples.
Cameron. Nice try.
Put your hands to someone else.
How's the garden?
Put all that green and everything. That's so much to do.
Yeah. Just in my hair.
Wow.
The rain and the wind, huh?
Nice swing.
Wow, that
Nice
was
swing.
good. Do you want me to try to walk your dog?
Lucy just took her for a walk.
How much you do it?
Well, she
Walked on it second.
What are you giving her over there?
treats.
What kind? But what is it?
I don't know, the Gerbers gave me some little deal.
Oh, almost. Good swing.
Sally? No. Lay down. Lay down. You did low enough. She hit it.
Do you want some more water?
Put a little more.
I love water.
I have water. Do you want some of my water? There. Just put a little bit though. So she doesn't drink it. Then put a little bit. Wait till her face doesn't. Don't squirt me. That's good. Stop. Stop. Move the bottle.
Go. All right, Taylor.
Is Cole allowed to
Watch
eat
the ball get a hit, girl.
Huh? Cole allowed to eat those peas or not? You can't eat that, the peas? Peas? Those dried ones? No, just not canned. I want to try, I just want to give them to Claudia and Cole, see if they like it. Yeah. I don't know where they are though. Did we leave? No, because you put them just started.
Go, Taylor. All right, look at her run. Go home, baby. Keep her going, Taylor. Go, Taylor. Go, Taylor. Keep going, girl. All right. Good job, Cam.
Nice. Very good.
Good job.
Nice throwback. Play it that way or you play it that way?
All right, go. Run, run.
I don't know what she's doing.
Oh, sorry. I want to come sit by you.
Yeah, Mom doesn't work tomorrow.
Okay, have a second. I want to see the dog.
I'll put you down.
Ginger, right?
No, I can't bathe. Well, I haven't bathed her. I bathed her when I got to town the next day. And she had surgery on Monday.
Oh, so it's good. Well, we'll have to look at it anyways. Just so you gave her a bath.
Yeah, but she's sick for the surgery.
Oh, what? Right now. And
Nice swing. Good job.
They're supposed to, because Laguna Beach Pound doesn't have their about the cleaning.
Yeah.
Now, Luce. Down in front. They'll play there, but they're not like, none of my kids are, yours is more like,
Yeah.
they're more into like sports. Yeah. Cameron's like on the fence, he's still trying to find the light. Yeah, he's trying everything. Lila, Cameron's pitching at a base dude. Christina.
Hey. Oh my god, I just got Holly.
Stand straight, Delani.
Oh, she's like so big.
Is he handsome?
He's very handsome. Like,
Yeah,
he's video crying.
So,
How was it?
if you're, you want to try one now? Will you take her home? She's not having fun here. What's up, Tom?
Alright. Is this the newest member of the family right here? That's what Mark said. He adopted him? Or her? What's her name? My dog. Actually, I do.
Little snack.
Hey, congratulations, man.
Walk down, dog.
Tom Valley. Hey, what's is your cousin is in here? I have it on my iPod, you know, the most popular song.
Yeah.
Emma said, who's that? I said, Taylor Anthem. I said, that's Lois' cousin. I don't know if she ever told her or not. I said, ask Lois if she met her. So I saw Lois doing it. I said, do you know who Alien Anthem was? And she kind of just looked at me like, weird. I those little kids.
As they should.
This is my friend Tina. This is
Hi.
She's like the sister dad.
Thursday night, I drove in. Those are my two little girls over there.
Where's Marco?
He's working.
Paying the bills?
I think
Paying the bills.
Stop being a blockbuster. You're going to leave her in the car.
It's fine. It's quick.
Run, Caitlin, run!
Where's Alan?
Related battle. There was some school related. And we're doing two battle with another charity sponsor. And this other guy, one of the guest judges there.
Try.
So I guess it was the guy who was doing it on YouTube. And he gets like, I don't know, I guess he has like
We can go up by 4.
Oh, up by
We can go up to 8. Yeah, I don't know.
do they have 4?
11 girls got it back.
They should have 8.
We're about there, I would guess.
Unless they get a...
I haven't been keeping track.
Nice hit. Go.
It's so soft.
That's why they put it
Lonnie, was it hard, the testing this morning? What? Was the test hard now? Sorry, do you want to take her blanket?
Maybe you need to walk. frame at my house.
Come. Come. Now she doesn't want to watch.
She's like, no way.
Bye, Connie.
I'll be right back. She'll,
You want the blanket?
no.
Good job, way to get a piece of it.
Well, I just go
Ooh, take a nice try, nice try.
For a long time.
I'm like 8 5. I think I got 12.
I don't think so. It's just really slow going. Well, that's how it felt Wednesday too, when the other team was up to bat.
That's true.
Oh, run, girl. Oh, they got her out.
They got it too. Who's keeping score?
That's true, yeah, they would have scoreboard.
She went home playing. She wasn't being patient, so
No, Lisa's healthy. First daughter just playing, so don't be in front
Nice try.
Oh, here's the leadoff pass. So, however many girls I got today. If they got 11.
a lot of kids missing, that's why. You know what I mean? Like it's the same thing.
I didn't really count them all.
I called
They were here. And then the number kept changing. Love to see when they all sit down. I think we had 10. So I think I saw one sitting in there. When we were out. Oh, that was good.
How many else we got?
I only remember one.
You only remember one? Just that one right now?
Yeah. There's a good hit.
Run, girls, run!
That could be two. All right, that's it.
Natalie.
All right.
Natalie.
Something like this, man. Get comfortable, squat a little bit.
Let's go, Nina!
Listen now, let's go.
Nice play, Nina.
Yeah, so this is like second in our order or something. So we're,
She's top.
oh, she's top.
Yeah, she started the first batter in the game. Oh. So everybody has only batted once. All right, nice try. Nice try.
Nice try, Nina.
Run fast, Nina!
the ball.
Come on, Kayla.
Almost.
All right, nice job. Nice try.
Take your base.
Nice try.
Try, Kayla.
Woo! Do it again, babe. Do it again.
Go, girl.
She's related to her.
Good job, KK. Do it again, Kay.
Go!
Oh no, there it goes again.
Nice hustle, though.
Try it again.
Straighten up, Kayla. Good try, babe.
Whoop.
Lois, stop doing that.
Oh, she's so lucky.
Sneaked in behind her.
Oh, Woo! Run fast, girl! Woo! Lola!
It's not me.
Oh, I was like, it's Georgie. I answered and the other one's me, though.
Come on, Lola! Go!
Who's the blue?
Oh, she was safe. She was safe. I thought she was safe. I don't know.
Look at
I think she got there first.
Why are there two parties? One runner.
Sanitizer. It was cold. No, it wasn't. It was halfway, but that is still a lot. I'm kidding.
She addicted to it?
She keeps putting it on. She got cuts too, so I think she likes it.
Oh, whoa, she's turned off.
She keeps doing that. She's like Doris.
She's a runner.
Oh my gosh.
You got to have a runner on the team.
Love that.
very fast.
That's so cute. It's like Forrest Gump.
Oh, this is just like one of ours. Go, Taylor! Go, girl! All right, come back. Good job, Taylor. Hit it again. Good try. All right, get it this time, Taylor.
Sorry, I couldn't.
Oh, good try, Taylor. She says, pitch it to me 2 more times. All right, come on, Taylor. Hit it, girl. Good hit, go girl! Go girl!
Keep going, keep going.
Go, Laura!
Good job. Nice job, Laura. All right.
That's pretty good, Taylor says. I don't want to hit that thing off the. I don't want to hit it off the tee. Mom, pitch it. Say, Mom, pitch that ball in here. I'll get it this time.
Her socks keep falling down. I think they're too big for her skinny little legs.
Good! Oh, ball.
Wow, that was nice. Do it again.
Very good. Good, go, go! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I got it out.
Go back. Go back.
You did not want to be near that ball.
Cheers. Cheers.
Time-wise, I think we have at least 50 minutes. That game's done, and we started after them. Someone just has to take control of it. We were supposed to start shooting so late.
What time did you start?
I don't know the exact time.
About when?
But we were supposed to start at 2 and we started late.
Yay, Taylor!
I like how she jumps on the home plate. Hey, waving to her fans.
Yeah.
It's hard to be humble. You know.
Too bad I can't understand what it's made with.
You still have food left over after all those people eat.
I know.
That was awesome.
Brought a bunch of stuff. Seeds in it, yeah? No, I was trying to see what was in the peas. Processing wise.
Oh, good! Uh-oh, pitch. Just hold that ball, pitcher.
Don't go up yet.
Good job, pitch. We're gonna hold it.
All right. Everybody run fast when it's get hit.
Oh,
Nice try.
way to watch the ball.
I don't think they've ever had.
Did you leave your peanut butter?
Yes, he did.
Make sure we get it. Did you see Taylor there? No. What? You watching? Look at all the ladybugs out there. Yeah, there's 4 of them out there. All right. Good job, team. Way to go, team.
Why not that one?
Well, because when they throw the ball back to the air, everybody has to start running.
Oh, so there's no winner.
All right. Look, Katie's on second base. She's ready to go. Her arms are ready. Her feet are ready.
We're all winners.
Swing, baby. Level swing. Well, I think when they finish at bats, the game will be over. When they finish batting, the game will be over.
Oh.
I don't have anything. What does she want? Just any lip gloss. I don't have
Good try.
Hey, girls, get ready to run. Let's go.
We can go up 4 runs, that's why. It doesn't matter, we can go 4 runs. We don't have to go in order? Yeah, see, they're in order.
Roll, good hit, run! Run to first!
She's like, now what do I do? I made it in?
And start on time, so they have a little more time. Huh? 6:40. 3:25. It's been on for an hour, like 20 minutes. You need to check. You need to call Verizon. He always says.
I didn't mean 6:40.
How long does it go for?
An hour and a half. It's an hour and a half. Hour and 20 minutes.
Hour and 20.
We started
It's an hour and 20. That's a weird number.
That's what I thought.
I thought it was an hour and a half. You told me an hour and 20. I thought it was an hour and a half. No, it's like, let's be wrong because it's over. No. It's like, I'm gonna beat you.
Oh,
Oh, nice try.
Yes.
keep your feet still.
Nina.
Come on, Chooks. Go, Nina.
a good stance. Feel comfortable with Nina.
It's completely out of panic.
Oh!
Danny, this is my friend Tina. She's like a sister to us.
Hi, how are you?
This is Danny. How's your game? You guys, pretty even game?
Killing us.
Oh, they were? Are they good hitters or what?
Pay attention,
Everything. They
Nina.
played well. I mean, really good hard work.
You cheater!
But
How?
Oh my god, because you were so bad. I mean, you were so behind you could go like. No,
You got 4. You got 4. I can see for
12-6. No, it
Oh, I can count.
was 12-6 at one point. And we scored 2. Hit the ball. And the first thing they don't need something first. Because the
game's over.
seconds trying to go to third, and the kid still has the ball. You know, like,
Lynch, guys.
we win!
Yeah!